l-Indipendenza l-Filippini jiġi fit-12 ta' Ġunju, iżda f'Malta qed jiċċelebraw ftit qabel fuq jumejn bejn is-Sibt u l-Ħadd. Atmosfera festiva li għalija l-kju ta' Filippini biex jidħlu ma qatax, kollha bitbissima fuq wiċċhom u b'entużjażmu kbir biex jiċċelebraw din il-kisba flimkien. Ikantaw kanzunetti reliġjużi, jirringrazzjaw lill-Alla u fuq sfin ieħor iż-żifna tradizzjonali bil-bambu. Diversi stazzjonijiet b'oġġetti tipiċi mal-Filippini, inkluż ħwejjeġ, xkupi u naturalment l-ikel u x-xorb.
During special occasions, during wedding, most especially, festivals.
This one is the Philippines broom you were using inside the house, and this one is outside the house.
These are Filipino famous street food, this is the kikiam, fishball and squidball. And it's famous for just them cooking it by the street and people just walking around and buying them. You know.
So we have our ube pandesal. This is purple yam bread with cheese in the middle, inside. So everybody has this in the morning usually.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' busta Filippini illi l-kull qalu kemm ħossuhom kuntenti u milquwajn f'Malta.
We are very much lucky because in terms of culture we are very much alike. Religion and the way family oriented, we are almost the same.
I work as a private carer and I have a very good employer. I've been with her for almost 8 years. She is 97 and is still able and bright.
Oh, I enjoy it here. I love Malta. This is my second home.
Well, I live here in Malta for 8 years and I work as a carer in Mount Carmel Hospital.
I am already a Maltese dual citizen. I am a Maltese and a Filipino. So just being a Filipino, just to join and to support.
I came here last 2005. It's been 20 years. From this year, and then I just I don't work here. I'm married to a Maltese, so being a housewife.
Iżda għal din il-festa ma attendewx biss Filippini, tkellimna wkoll ma' riġil Maltin miż-żewġa lill-Filippini.
Inna nafu xulxin 20 sena, inna miż-żewġin 12 sena u kombinazzjoni għada ħajkun dal-anniversarju wkoll. Atmosfera sabiħa ħafna hawnhekk. Nħu pjaċir narhom jgħinu l-xulxin u kollox. U anke l-Maltin stess jieħdu pjaċir jiġu hawnhekk biex jaraw dil-atmosfera sabiħa.
Il-komunità Filippina tħossha iżjed mill-quta u Malta u integrata u bażikament ingawdu xulxin dan l-avveniment tant importanti għall-komunità Filippina.
Dawn iċ-ċelebrazzjonijiet se jibqgħu għaddejjin sal-Ħadd.